Hi, welcome back. Here's how you can do a 3D animation in Cinema 4D, a 3D modeling program that involves the intersection between a circular object and a 3D logo of a certain vector file. I have the vector file of the logo of Tongtips, for example. Export it as Adobe Illustrator 8.0 when once you've edited the logo using any designing program, and then drag it here, and then you have it. Let's make it 3D. Hold the left click button, head over to extrude, drag the path object into extrude, and then just decrease the offset to, let's say, 15. And then when you're done, increase the subdivision. No, not necessary. And then let's make a cylindrical objects, shall we? Hold the left click button, head over to cylinder, and then change the radius to any value. Increase the rotation segments. Just increase the heights so that when we go to coordinates and we rotate the P rotation to 90 degrees, it will actually close the entire logo. Just like this. And then let's, make an intersection. Hold the left click button, head over to bool, and then drag the cylinder into bool, and then the extruded logo into bool as well. So change the bool type to A intersect B. If we move the cylinder will actually cut the entire, will highlight some parts of the 3D logo just like this. Let's animate this, shall we? Let's put it here, for example. And then change the viewing mode to hold on, to front, and then make it appear just like this. And then let's say if we want to make the circular object to appear from here. So all we have to do now is to head over to coordinates, and then you simply change the number of frames to 300, for example, and then click on the diamonds to start creating the keyframes for the things that you want to change the value of. Also for the radius as well, click on the diamond. Then let's say if you want, to see a change at 140 frames, move the cylinder, and then let's say if we put it here, and then go to coordinates, click on the diamonds again, and then for the radius, increase it just like this, enough to enough to make the logo appear, and then click on the diamond again. And then when we hit the play button, that looks cool. Now the logo appears just like this one. Fancy. And then let's copy and paste this several times. Copy and paste this, and then let's say that the transition starts from hold on. And then let's say if we erase this, and then let's say if we start from 40 frames, and then decrease the radius again to this size, and then click on the diamond icon. And then let's say if we want to make it appear from the top right, and then click on the diamonds again, and then fancy. That's how you can create the second layer. And then place it to the front, for example, just like this. And then if we hit the play button, it will look like this pretty much. Oh, looks cool. That looks fancy. Then you can add some materials for the first and the second 3D object that we highlighted, just like this. Fancy, isn't it? That's how you can create this fancy logo animation using the intersection between a circular object and a 3D logo, just like this. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.